How to track Remitly reference number. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video you'll learn how you can track Remitly reference number, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Remitly account. If you don't have an account already, ensure you create one. And then once you're logged in into your Remitly account, you will be brought to the send money page automatically. Besides send money, there is transfer history, refer friends, etc. By the time you move to the right side of the screen, you click on the welcome option. By clicking on settings, you'll be taken to the settings page where you'll be asked to update your profile information, update your notifications, payment method, recipient, your privacy choices, your legal resources. Then once you can see all of this, the next step is to go to transfer history, click on it. After clicking on the transfer history tab, you'll be brought to the transfer histories page. On this page, you can see all of your transfers, the one in progress as well as the one delivered. Now, each of these transfer has their reference number. So for you to track them is basically by working with the in progress transfer. So by clicking on in progress, all of the transfers that are in progress will be displayed on this screen. So you can just select the transfer whose reference number you would like to check, click on it, and then once you've seen it, you can always track it by coming back here to check if the transfer has been delivered or not. And then you can, once you're done, you can move to the top right corner here, click on the download in order to download the transfer history. So this is basically how to go about it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.